Ask what I think a perfect printmaking teachers in a box would be. I would say, first of all, it has to have a right-sized, appropriate technology kind of printing press that fits. Then I think it should have a paper-making mold, a kind of paper-making kit. What better way to understand paper than to make it? You should have to have a printing plate and the inks and tools, materials, and supplies for printing. Of course, it should have how-to methods available on the web, on solid media, whatever, for plate making. It should have a geosocial network linking learners and teachers worldwide. And finally, it should have blockchain certification so people get credit for what they do. That's what I think it would have to have.